What's up, guys? Today we're installing the Cobb intake that Mike recommended. I guess the stock air intake box did not supply enough air. I thought I was going to try to keep this stock so when my hood got popped it would look stock still, but Mike said this isn't flowing enough now for the turbo and everything. So we got the Cobb intake box. This is carb legal, so it's still, if I get my hood popped, it'll still be okay. So we're gonna put that in there. I think we're gonna have to probably retrofit some stuff, but I'll show you how to put a WRX Cobb intake into the GC body. So I'll show you where I had it cut and stuff to make it fit. So let's get this thing in. So these are all the pieces of the Cobb intake all set out. This is what you want right there. Carb sticker. Mouth's gonna go there. Box, the hoses, and the lid. Nick's over here working on taking out, look at this janky ground kit. That's what's gonna go in. Gold terminals, heat shrinked from my Radio Shack.
This is for sale.
Crimp.
$10.
Grounding kit for sale. We're gonna put that back in now though. This one right here too at the same time. First test fit, the 2005 WRX kit does not fit. It's tight down there, tight up here by the pump, so we're gonna have to trim all that crap. Here, we have to trim. Here, and this whole bottom edge here, right? And we'll throw it back in there and see what happens. Trim away. Obviously there, right? For the paint. Here, okay, here. There. Yep. Clean it up. We'll clean this up later. Actually, I could put the rubber stuff on the bottom here, right?
Yeah, just put some rubber.
With the rubber.
Yeah, rubber.
Straight open, but I don't want to run it.
Uh-oh.
I don't want to run an open air filter on this car.
Right.
Sucking all that turbo heat in. Alright. Right, look at that. It's better, huh? Oh, look at that. Right over that wire right there. Perfect. What do you think?
Looks pretty damn good.
It's pretty darn good. Look at that.
Line's right up there. Down.
Looks good. Look, covers that ground wire right there.
Yeah.
Holds up. Look, it's nice and tight up against the pump now. So I think this still will mount up. If I just bend this way a little bit, it'll be perfect. That's perfect. Yeah.
Pumping away on that for a while.
All right. So about 3 hours later, we finally got the Cobb box in. We'll show you what we cut off and where you have to trim and stuff to get this Cobb SF intake box to fit into the STI. I'm going to show you what it looks like without the box. First, all my buddies swap here. That's the same intake with the simple bracket, but no box. See? So now he's sucking in all that hot air from that turbo right there and everything else.
It's full of hot air.
These are all the pieces we had to cut off from the bottom of the box. You got to trim about 1 inch off the box on the bottom to lower it back down. And some bracket pieces. Just random crap. But final product. You got the 2005 Cobb intake box in there. We're still waiting. I just called iWire. We're going to get a harness extension for the MAF sensor because I want to loop it cleanly down and around, but this one's too short. It just goes straight there. So for now, we space this up and put the wire through here. But that's the box. All installed. Fresh air. It's going to get it from that hole in the well right there. This chipped right here when we had to bend this, the powder coat chip, so we have to repaint the box now. But overall, I think it's pretty nice. Nice and flat so the hood closes. Now let's hear this thing start up. See if it sounds any different.
Installation is a success.
See if it starts after all that. Let's get this intake noise.
Yeah. Let's see.
I didn't know this.